Oga. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. You know the person. You know who I am.
Why?
You know that? You know that? Where am I? What do you mean?
No, it's okay.
You know the person.
Who is he? Where am I?
For Nigeria.
Nigeria. What is happening?
That was your brother.
Brigade to Nigeria.
What do you mean?
No green.
Relax. Everything is solved.
See, please. You are coming inside the house.
What time?
My brother, I don't understand.
Master, now what's your problem?
Easy. You listen to me. You come to somebody's house.
Oga,
Why you people
hey, who teach you
like this? Why are you doing this?
Oga,
One teach you.
this guy, he brother. Yeah.
That's his brother.
One for his brother. He chopped my back with Dimachi. Relax, my friend.
Why is changing his face? Be like saying now somebody will
all because of the marriage. You want to marry. Yes. His brother tell the family say he don't understand you because you're not allowed to marry this sister. I say relax. Oga give you money.
See,
Relax. And support him.
Weezy. Weezy.
How much you want? Oga no pay.
Man, I tell you, shouting cannot bring anything.
Please sit down.
Hey,
relax.
Allow him to sit because it's money matter we are talking about over here. Don't worry. See, Weezy. Tell this man over there is that what is need is what is need when you
what's he gonna hear him tell us? Can't say respect him. He said he respects you. If you know respect you, he cannot allow the sister to sit down.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. See.
Talk, I'll translate.
Okay.
He can't speak English.
Oh,
he don't go speak before. That's why. They catch your table for now.
That is exactly why he is shouting like that.
Was he in waiting in his hand? Hey, he wants to stop.
So tell him that he should not everything where you go bounce like a dog.
See me be like cancer because that cancer come. Tell him say I will fear.
So tell him that his money maybe is needed. I will give him money.
What is going to hear? Almost can. And listen to buy for Jimmy.
No, what I will tell him that tells I will give him money.
What I give him money? Send up. How much you want?
Joy,
Catch us somebody 1,500. You
see how much he will collect it?
He take 1,500. That's 50 million.
50 million.
Yeah.
Tell him that I will give him 1,000 if you want it.
Oh, it's okay.
You will take it.
Yeah, is it?
What do you say?
Is it 10.10? 10.10. 10 million. No, what from your back? Hey, oh my God, you give you money. What is your problem? 10 million. I don't know.
Don't worry. You cannot come to somebody's house and shout this.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, pay him and enjoy your life. After the payment, he support you. You go to the family, tell father and mother, say allow him to marry her. Don't worry. Don't mind the money you pay.
This one is 1,000.
No. This one 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Which is 500. Another 500 and 10 cedi. 10.10. I want take
how much?
10.10. 10 million 10 cedi. So 10.10.
No, you should take this one.
No, another 5 million. This be 5 million. I'm sorry, I'm
you 10 million over 5 million.
One more
than
okay, big sale.
India broke.
Hey, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
I can't have
19.
It's okay?
19, no.
Okay.
6 before, 20. Another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is 10 million, yeah, 10 million.
Right, 10 million?
Yeah.
No.
I don't want this thing. I just 1,000. You take 1,000. From now, support him. Marry your sister. He said he support you. He tell your back.
Support me.
He tell your back. Yeah, greet him.
Thank you. See, but what I will tell you is this: if like you are come to somebody's house, don't bounce like a dog.
What's if you go behind man? Tell them that can man.
So tell him that you should go.
He said, yeah. No.
Why?
What's happening, ma'am?
Family send him. Then you want to take her to go back to defend you. Then after the next day, he can't allow. He comes sleep. Chop in there.
Oh really?
Oh yeah, really carpet.
Oh like I want you to maybe to
today.
Maybe.
Hey, okay, this is you.
Okay, you don't comment on
the boss. We are to be a general.
So
Allah.
He said,
Allah.
Allah,
yeah. Peg.
Give me peg.
Okay.
So, try to come on.
Okay. I don't think any problem. When you get no message,
but now I want maybe for wait small.
This issue, the family agree. Yeah. How much? He asked, you don't give the sister money. He said, you don't give you.
I will give her money if.
No. Tomorrow morning. What's the basketball? What's the Jimmy food?
See, tell him that I'll give her money later. So,
okay.
Also, my Mr. Mengo. See, I won't feel it. Don't worry. Tomorrow morning after you come, everything is free.
Okay.
Okay?
What's the Okay.
No.
Mediere. Hey, no, then I'll go on to sound. Maybe porting there. First can block.
Hey, tempe. So, what about that?
But you make the chocolate.
Hey, now,
let's just kind of
want to.
No, 10 million could you come and school me? That's not left here.
Tempe, and I'm called. So, because it's the other age for.
Actually, man, can't give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Is it going to come and Bruce? What's the
other man? Father, say you are serious. I want to go for a deal in the back.
You can't find me coming on your
back. You never fuck out for me. Fuck for me.
Many times,
I'm your band for Scanama.
What if I'm my own first come again?
I got 40, maybe
20 again.
I got 40. I got 40.
Okay, I got 40.
Only 10.
You just tell me what?
And one year, I want you to
I want you to see the semester.
Munkum,